Beautiful shot. He may be on the green. Guys and girls, I'm in deep trouble. It's Wednesday afternoon, and I have challenged these two guys to a golf tournament for 4 holes, and they get to play best ball, and I got to play 1 ball. Wish me luck. Wow. Whew. All tied up after 1. All right, guys, we're at the 2nd hole. This is the Fortress. Some people refer to it as Augusta. Thomas and his wayfaring partner, Sean, are right down there by the green, and it's my shot. I'm in deep trouble. What prompted me to play best ball against 2 people? Oh my. I'll take that. All right. I know it's not a great shot, but I'll take it. Buddy, we've played 2 holes. I'm ahead by 1 stroke, but we're going to the 3rd hole, and I may have a little trouble here. Nobody shot stellar golf yet, but we're having fun. I think I might still be in trouble because I've only got 1 stroke, and we got 2 holes to go. I got this. Just as I expected, we're here at the 4th hole. I'm in trouble, although I do have a 1-stroke lead. This is an 85-yard par 3 with a teeny tiny green. This is a short hole, but a tough hole. I love my sponsors. They are wonderful. Somehow I managed to pull that out. It's only because they missed a shot that was an easy shot somehow, but they made some incredible shots, but by 1 stroke I managed to get it. Thomas was asking me about a swing arc and what was casting. And I was watching some YouTube videos. You know, we think that our club swinging is going to look like that. But what we do, if we look at it in reverse, when you watch the pros, what you don't see is this. Your club swing comes to here. From there, it's just a rotation. Nothing happens from way back here to here, and then we just fire it off. Ready? Watch. Here is your club plane.